All right, so this should be pretty quick. I'm just doing a test production run of some real quick content. We're going to create some AI art with OpenAI and Python. Check it out. So we run this script, images with a particular prompt. I'm going to say a robot flying in the sky in the fashion of the flying spaghetti monster. Um, Painting high quality. We're going to get a list of 4 links back along with the original prompt again so that you could like redirect the contents to a text file if you wanted to. Right click on the first one, open. Ooh, that's pretty good. I like that. Let's open the second one. These are like children's drawings. I kind of dig it. Let's do a third one. Ooh, I really like that. And let's do a fourth one. Oh man, this is pretty good. So I think this experiment has been a success, and I'm going to do a lot more short form content in the near future. Rapid fire in your face, Dark Mage blasting you from outer space. Check on my socials. Peace out.